stop scrolling. If you're a teen girl tired of complicated skin, this video is for you. Clear skin, soft body, zero stress. So grab your snakes and let's get started. Shower routine. The first step is shower. And starting here sets the tone for your entire glow up. Begin while exfoliating your body to remove all that dead skin that make your skin look dull. You can make your own body scrub with sugar, coffee, coconut oil, and body wash for an easy DIY version. The moment you rinse it off, you will notice your skin feels smoother and fresh. No, let's not forget your hair. Wash it with shampoo to get rid of any buildup. Then go in with a deep conditioning mask. Leave the mask in for around 10 minutes. While you finish the rest of your shower, when you rinse it out, do your hair feel like softer, shinier, and way less frizzy? If you're done, pick one body butter will keep your skin smooth and glowing. Skincare and face treatment. Glowing skin is the star of any glow up. So after your shower, start with proper cleanse. Don't rush this step. Take your time, at least 60 seconds. Massage the cleanser into your skin in gentle circular motion. Steam your face. Put hot water in a bowl. Cover your head with a towel to catch the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. Steaming helps skincare products to absorb better. You can also shave your face after steaming for smooth skin. Just avoid pimple and use moisturize after. Once your face is clean, apply a mask that matches your skin's needs. After your mask, give your skin instant refresh with ice. Take an ice cube or a cold roller and gently rub it over your face 2 to 3 minutes. It reduces puffiness, tightens pore, and makes your face look naturally lifted. Nails care. You don't need to hit up a salon to get those nails on point. Grab a nail file and shape your nails, however you like, almond, square, or round. If you have a nail polish lying around, perfect. Apply a coat of clear or nude nail polish. If you don't want to apply a polish, just clean them up and rub a coconut oil or olive oil into cuticles to keep them soft. You'll be surprised how clean and neat they'll look. Before we divide into the next glow up step, hit that subscribe button and join Glow Up Gang. Lips care. Time to get your lips looking and adorable. You don't need fancy lip balms or scrub for this. Take a little bite of sugar and mix with it honey or olive oil to make a DIY lip scrub. Rub away dead skin cells for smooth, plump lips. Confident or aura? Okay, here's where we get into the real secret sauce, your aura. Smelling fresh is such a game changer. A light perfume or body mist can actually become your signature scent, something people remember you by. And of course, deodorant is a must. Smelling clean automatically make you more attractive. No question, then there's posture. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin slightly up. It makes you look more confident. And here's the easiest glow hack ever. Eye contact and genuine smile. It makes you magnetic. People are drawn to you when you smile. It's literally free, pretty point, and don't forget to laugh often. Being joyful gives you a glow that no product can fake. Hairstyle. Now let's talk about neat hairstyle. Cute look, neat hairstyle are a real game changer. It does not have to be complicated. Even a simple braid, a sleek ponytail, or a half-up style with the scrunchies can make you look so put together. A scrunchies or cute hair clip also adds a nice little detail without trying too hard. If you want natural waves without using heat, braid your hair before bed and undo it in the morning and boom. Soft waves with zero efforts. It is the laziest glow up, but it's work naturally. Here's one more hair secret. Keep a small spray bottle in your bag with water and a drop of conditioner. If your hair feels frizzy or flat during the day, just spray a little. It instantly makes your hair shiny, smooth, and fresh again. No bad hair day energy. Heat tool can make your hair look nice but short term, but in the long run, they damage your hair. Eyebrows. Eyebrows may seem like a little thing, that they make a biggest difference in overall face. Brush your eyebrows and, if needed, clean up stare hair. Well-shaped brows frame your face and make your look more instantly put together. If you want, fill them in lightly for some extra definition. They look so pretty and cool. Eyelashes. Next up, your lashes. Curl them. It make your eye look bigger and more awake, even without makeup. Even if you add in mascara, go for it. They look so pretty. But even just curling your lashes make a big difference. Oral hygiene. Oral hygiene is also the part of the glow up. Brush thoroughly, floss if you can, and finish with mouthwash. Fresh breath and a bright smile are such underrated confident booster, but they make all the difference in how you carry yourself. Trust me, after following me step today, you will see the visible difference in your energy, mood, body, and face. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and comment below. See you in the next video.